DJI Pocket 3, after 2 months of use, let's get into it. Okay, so the hype on this camera is absolutely real. I actually purchased this to do some traveling with my family, and I didn't want to take a big camera system with me, so I picked this up. I'm going to talk about the pros of the DJI Pocket 3, and I'm going to make a separate video about the cons. The first pro is obvious, the size of this. The fact that you can just throw this in your pocket and move on is great. Next, because this is a DJI product, the ease of use is absolutely insane. The menu system is clean and straightforward. Next, the image quality. I'm shooting in D-Log-M, but we'll get back to that in a second. The basic footage from this system is absolutely phenomenal. It's great for creators. The fact that it's shooting in 4K 10-bit is absolutely astounding when it comes to creators like me using footage for YouTube, for Instagram, for some client work, and so on and so forth. Next, the D-Log footage. Honestly, color grading the footage that comes from this is pretty easy when it comes down to comparing the color grading from a Sony camera or any other camera system. Okay, let's talk about how durable this thing is. I haven't dropped it. Hopefully, I'm not going to drop it. But when it comes down to it, this thing has been on shoots with me where it's 100 degrees outside, hasn't overheated. I haven't really experienced it in bad weather as of yet. I don't plan on to, but you never know. But durability wise, it's a DJI product, and as you guys know, their drones are fantastic. Even if you crash them, some of them still work pretty well. Battery life, I think I'm getting about 3 hours worth of 4K footage. It's a little less when I'm shooting in D-Log, but honestly, that's all I really need. And also, because I purchased Creator Combo, I also have the extension piece when it comes to the battery power, and it charges right up, and it gives me about, I believe, another hour or so of actual record time. And lastly, I purchased the Creator Combo. The Creator Combo comes with the gimbal itself, as well as the additional battery pack for you to just plug in, give you that extra footage time that you need, as well as an extension piece with the tripod mount right here. Now, this has been a fantastic combo for me because when I traveled, I didn't have to bring a big mic system because this comes with the DJI Mic 2. And yes, I already have the DJI Mic 2 kit, but I've been using that for professional use, so having this and the quality of this while I'm out and about and traveling is absolutely fantastic. And if you have missed my travel video, go ahead and hit the link up below or take a look at my previous video so you could see, you know, how I traveled, what cameras I traveled with, and how easy it absolutely was. I'm saying all this and I'm not sponsored. I have no affiliation to DJI at all. Hopefully they see this and, you know, we make something a little bit, make a little more content with it. But, you know, I have no affiliation to them at all. I'm making this because I absolutely love this product, and I'm not gonna lie, I did knock this product in the beginning before I got my hands on it. This bad boy stays in the camera bag. I will be making another video about the cons. There's really not that many, so I don't really know how long that video is going to be, but stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button so you can check it out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Deuces!